You want to support Roland Martin Unfiltered? Be sure to join our Bring the Funk fan club. Every dollar that you give to us supports our daily digital show. There's only one daily digital show out here that keeps it black and keep it real as Roland Martin Unfiltered. Support the Roland Martin Unfiltered daily digital show by going to RolandMartinUnfiltered.com. Our goal is to get 20,000 of our fans contributing $50 each for the whole year. You can make this possible. RolandMartinUnfiltered.com. Isn't it ironic that the second most idiotic governor in America, Kemp of Georgia, right behind that fool Ron DeSantis in Florida?
Yeah, Ron is first.
Ron is in first
By
a wide margin.
He's the goat of idiots.
Wide margin. You know, I mean, look, between him, Kemp, and Tate Reeves down in Mississippi, I mean, you're dealing with three idiots. So, and remember, Kemp was the one who is based in Atlanta but didn't know how you could contract coronavirus, even though the CDC is headquartered in Atlanta. But that's another story. This just happened. He made this announcement. Go to my iPad, please. This idiot has announced that gyms, hair and nail salons, bowling alleys will reopen in Georgia Friday. Restaurants, theaters will reopen Monday, April 27th. Bars, amusement parks will stay closed. In-person worship is allowed.
Well, see, when I see things like that, I don't underestimate the stupidity of this man. However, I have to tell you, I have to also wonder if there is some more insidious motivation here rather than just ignorance. The reality is, as we've noted on the show over and over again, this is a disease that unfortunately seems to be impacting Black people at disproportionate levels. And we know that there is a significant Black population in Georgia. This is also the man that did everything that he could in order to steal voting rights from Black people when he was Secretary of State. That's how he's in that position.
Yep.
And so I do not put it past these people. I'm going to be very honest. I do not put it past these people to go the ultimate yard in order to be able to impact who's even alive to vote in November. I do not put it past these people. He's stupid, but he ain't that stupid. And I really don't trust the ethics associated with a lot of these folks, him included, who I believe will stop at nothing in order to grab and hold on to power, even if that means killing people.
Randy and Rob, the reason this is crazy, because, okay, bowling alleys, hair and nail salons. Look, I'm telling you, Black people in Georgia, my advice, don't be running out on Friday. Did the rest of the people do that? Because the deal is, Georgia still, matter of fact, I was just sitting here, let me find it. They just reported an increase in cases in Georgia.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Same in Florida, who's reopening the beaches as well. I mean, two things are, there's this line I love by Albert Einstein. Two things are infinite: the universe and human stupidity. And he's not sure about the universe. Like, this is really stupid. This is real dumb. And no, Black folks do not do it. Anybody don't do it. Like, the cases are at a peak right now everywhere. And we don't have testing, despite what you just heard by the present occupant of the White House. A Harvard study showed that we need to test 500,000 people a day, like the next 60 days, to have any type of idea of where we're at with testing, to get a handle on where this virus is. So we have no idea.
Randy,
actually, we have some ideas.
You know, we have to.
So don't do it.
As Black people, we need to decide and be very clear about who we trust our lives with, right? I mean, do you think that anybody in this Trump administration or any of his cronies is looking out for our best interests? And I think the answer is a clear, absolute no. So it is up to us to make decisions that are best for us. I mean, this is life or death now. It is life or death.
Every single night. We've got some of the top Black experts. You're not going to see them on cable news or broadcast news. because you swear black people aren't experts when it comes to this health crisis. That's why we have this show and why we do what we do every day on Roland Martin Unfiltered. Joining us right now is retired General Russell Honore, the nation's first black Surgeon General, Dr. Joycelyn Elders. John Hope Bryant, he is the founder of Operation Hope. Senator Kamala Harris of California, Dr. Sadrina Calder, retired General Lloyd Austin, Congresswoman Karen Bass, Commissioner Omari Hardick, Bureau President in Brooklyn, Eric Adams, Dr. Joseph Graves, America's Wealth Coach, Deborah Owens, Dr. Corey Abear, Patal Saul, Howard University student, Pastor Jamal Bryant, Dr. Christy McDowell, Benja Ajilore, senior economist at the Center for American Progress, Gilda Daniels, again, author of the book, The Crisis of Voter Suppression in America. 4 stars, General Kip Ward, Dr. Oliver Brooks is president of the National Medical Association, president of the American Medical Association, Dr. Patrice Harris, Joby Benjamin, Dr. Alexia Gaffney, infectious disease specialist, Dr. Georges Benjamin, executive director of the American Public Health Association, Malcolm Nance, family medicine physician, Dr. Jen Caudle, Dr. Tashaka Cunningham, a molecular biologist, Kat Stafford. She's a national race and ethnicity reporter for the Associated Press. Dr. Wayne A.I. Frederick, who is the president of Howard University, Congresswoman Yvette Clarke from the state of New York, William Springs, AFL-CIO economist, Andrea James, executive director of the National Council for Incarcerated and Formerly Incarcerated Women and Girls. All right, let's go to Capitol Hill. Congressman Gregory Meeks, Congresswoman Eddie Bernice Johnson of Texas, Congresswoman Barbara Lee, Minnesota Senator Amy Klobuchar, mental health clinician Jamie Singletary, Prince George's County State's Attorney Aisha Brayboy, as well as Dylan Hayrie, ACLU Justice Division strategist. Dr. Cindy Duke, she is a virologist. Principal Steve Perry of Capitol Prep. Health and wellness specialist Dr. Yolandra Hancock. Desmond Meade, president of the Florida Rights Restoration Coalition. Cliff Albright, who is the co-founder of Black Voters Matter. Michael Harriet with the Root. Mina McWhorter, founder of Love by the Hand. Dr. Julianne Malvo, economist president, Emerita Bennett College. Coroner Michael Fowler is the mayor of Atlanta. Keisha Lance Bottoms, mental health therapist Suzette Clark. Justin Gibney, attorney and political strategist, and Bishop Vincent Matthews Jr. Dr. Suzette McKinney, CEO and executive director of the Illinois Medical District. Dr. Leon McDougall, president-elect of the National Medical Association. Jana Bailey, mayor of Moss Point, Mississippi, Mario King. We're going to keep driving this thing to make sure our people are fully aware, safe, protected from coronavirus. You getting the top medical experts, top business experts, top political experts, top religious experts, because that's why we do what we do. Unapologetically and unfiltered. Ain't nobody else in the black media space doing what we do. Watch Roland Martin Unfiltered daily at 6 p.m. Eastern on YouTube, Facebook, or Periscope, or go to RolandMartinUnfiltered.com. Support the Roland Martin Unfiltered Daily Digital Show by going to RolandMartinUnfiltered.com. Our goal is to get 20,000 of our fans contributing $50 each for the whole year. You can make this possible. RolandMartinUnfiltered.com.